So today I'm going to be unboxing the MserIm Earbuds. This is a Bluetooth earbud. So when you open it up, the first thing that you see is the manual, and then it also has plug to connect. It's like a connector conversion plug right over there. And then of course you do have your earbuds in there. You also have charging cord to charge your earbud. Once I take it out of the charging package, you'll be able to see the name of the brand, which is the MserIm. You have the charging area where you can plug in your charger right on that section. You also have LED display to tell you how much time or how much of charging that the earbuds need. Once you open it up, you can see the LED starts showing you the time, and the earbuds are really cute, really beautiful. You have the brand information name on it right over there, and it also shows you the left and the right here so that you know which section to put the earbuds right there. So I'm gonna put the earbuds in my hair right now. So taking that, put that right there, and taking the left side and put that right there. And once you do that, you already hear a signal, and I can tap it. It has a very gentle tapping to increase the volume, to increase and use this. So you can use these earbuds, you can use them especially like when you're driving, when you're exercising, when you're pretty much doing anything, listening to music in your house. You can listen to it anytime. It has 30 hours of playtime. It can connect to iPhone, Android, whatever connection, your laptop. Very durable, very lovely. It comes in white. It also comes in black color. I love that. See, once I take the earbuds and I'm done with it, I can just take it, I can put it back into the case. So once I put it back into the case right here like that, you see the LED lighting shows and tells me how much percentage of charging it has, like that. So this is a very handy, very easy to use. I absolutely love it, and I'm sure you will too.